What's good, everybody? It's H back on another 12 Hub TV video, and today we are going to look at a shoe that not a shoe that I actually wanted, but a shoe that a collab I've been trying to get for a long time, and I've missed out on every drop and or couldn't hit whatever. So I finally got one of them, and it's actually in a colorway and style that I kind of like. So I'm just gonna get into it. This is the Sacai Nike Blazer Low Magma Orange. Let's go. So yeah, boom, the box. All the Sacai's come in this special box, and as many I haven't. The LD waffles I want a pair, the vapor waffle, whatever they call it, I want a pair, and I just can't get them. They always, they sold out. I don't get the access. They've done early access. They've done all types of things, and I never hit, or I never actually, got that ability to buy it. The prices aren't that bad considering, just under 500 for a hype shoe, but they're not necessarily that rare either. And as more time goes on, I feel that I'm going to regret not buying a pair that I like, especially in the Sacai Vapor Waffle iteration. That shoe is dope to me. It sits high enough. It's good aesthetically to me. It fits my foot right, in my opinion. So I want to see that in my collection at some point. So I'm going to start scouring, looking for a colorway or whatever that I could get with. Anyway, it's not about that today. It's about the Sacai Blazer Low, which just popped up. They leaked some pictures of these sometime last summer, I think, like in July, and then recently, I believe I saw LeBron James wearing a pair during the playoffs, going into the tunnel. Shout out to the Lakers next year. We're gonna bring it back. We're gonna run that championship back. Couldn't get the 2 in a row, but it's all good. Injuries and all that stuff. But yeah, it's gonna be crazy. But it's not about basketball right now. Again, it's about this shoe. So yeah, label. There you go. Blazer Low Sacai Satoshi Abe. Put a twist on these. Now, if you're familiar with the Blazer mids that came out maybe 2 years ago, I think 2019, probably the lowest on the totem pole as far as the hype shoes, because the Vapor Waffle just killed it. Like, people were all over that, and they loved it. This one, it's got the same paper, and so I'm not gonna go bother pointing it. I mean, if you've seen the paper, you've seen the paper. It says Sacai and all this other stuff all over it, I think. So each shoe is individually wrapped. I'm going to go pull from one and pull the other. The boxes, like, they're pretty much all the same. Orange, special edition box, Nike check. All good, all gracious, all nice. Beautiful packaging per usual. Crumbling up the paper a little bit, but whatever, I'm keeping these. So, here we go. Decent price point as well. I believe these were about $120. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Yeah, I believe these are about $120. And look at it. This is just the one. These are the two. Look. So, one thing about Blazers. Highs and mids, I can't wear. A little too narrow, in my opinion. And it's hard to lace. I don't know how people do it. Like, you can't really wear Blazers loosely, I guess. I don't know. When I got one pair. I saw them on Nike. Got a 6 sale on them. Bought a nice pair of like suede ones for black suede, black on black, and they were real nice shoes. And I actually was going to do a video on them as a 12 hub thing when I first got into sneakers. I got them around the same time I got my off-white 5s. And I put them down, was ready to do a video, wanted to do it on foot. And first I tried to jam my foot in. Couldn't get in there. And I was just like, man, I'm not even going to try. I'm returning these. So I ended up returning them. and stay away from blazer mids and highs or whatever. So these came out in a high. I mean a mid. And they were dope, you know? Very, very strong glue smell, I heard. Oh, and these got that too. This is actually... Oh, yeah. The glue is plentiful in these, man. One thing I like about these aesthetically is this. They stack. Brother, they stack. Double checks. 2 sets of laces laced up to perfection. 2 tongues. Deconstructed. 1 reg. 1 kind of thin and regular almost. Let me get focus on that. And 1 fat. Sacai really put a twist on this that I liked. And it's a shoe that I don't think many people will appreciate until they actually get it in hand. Same with the Vapor Waffle and the LD Waffle and all that. That's why they were like Sneaker of the Year a couple years ago, the LD. Because you look at it, it looks crazy. Looks crazy. But they work. And this colorway to me is just dope. Premium, very premium. Like the buttery soft leather right here, all the way across. Same quality leather all the way across. And again, just double laces. So it has more of a ribbon lace there. And this one's a regular flat lace. Ribbon, I mean like the ribbon pattern. So flat lace, white lace under it. They don't. It's wild how they think of these things. It's Nike sportswear. What do you know about it? And Nike Sacai on the tongue. Very dope collab. These sold out instantly. Oh, this is something I just didn't notice. It's deconstructed right up top. So it looks like somebody cut a mid and made it there. But you can see the stitching right here. So this is made that way. But yeah, this is cool. It's got that deconstructed look right here. So a lot of off-white inspired type of vibes. I just love the way the heel just stacks those rubber things. It looks like somebody just went with some like tape. Just put tape all around the back and made it like go out like that. Oh yeah, and then the orange lace loop things. So look, it's a very, 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 very clean, sort of simple iteration of a classic that they made in blazer. I think personally, he's going for like 150 something resale, whatever. This is the colorway I actually wanted. All right, I don't know why I wanted it. I'm not like like super like tied to it or love it or whatever, but this is the colorway I wanted. So I'm gonna deal with it, keep them, wear them sooner than later, and that's it. Tell me what y'all think, because at the end of the day, I love what Sacai and Nike have done together, and this is just a great simple example of how a great collaboration can get even better at times. Oh, and this is another cool thing. Look at that. Look at the way that the rubber just kind of comes up over the leather, and it's kind of offset, and it makes this thing. It's just abstract, man. It's just abstract. It's such a lovely shoe, man. We're gonna have to really, really, really just appreciate this for what it is, man. Just a piece of art. Art on feet, man. I can't wait to stroll out in these. Definitely gonna put them on this summer, and they smell amazing. So maybe I'll put them on this weekend. Put some shots on the gram. Follow me on Instagram, link down below. Follow our podcast, link down below. Everything's down below. Shout me out, link down below. Sacai, Blazer Low. 2 colorways, but this is the colorway I love. Holla. This one, 9 out of 10. All day. And that's all I got. Check y'all in the next one. Peace.